Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's another week here with hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. It's hosted by myself, Crafty Chronicles. Every week I plan out things that I need to do, but I also find time to have some fun while I'm doing them. I don't stress. If I don't get everything done within that week, I just spread it over time. And in all fairness, things have been really good and I haven't had to spread it over time. Things were just great, but if I did, it would be days, weeks, or even months. I just not stressed, just get it done. I definitely don't forget to take any time out for myself because it's so important. I get really miserable and moody if I find that I'm just continuing carrying on like a robot and forgetting about myself. I do get very moody and stuff, so I don't anymore. I always find some time to enjoy things that I like doing. I'm doing a dance routine still and that's going really well. I listen to music. I am a vinyl collector, not as much as I did before, but I do enjoy listening to my music. I listen to podcasts. I do like 19th century drama, so I tend to listen to those. I take a nap if I want to. I paint my nails, and I also go to the salon on a regular basis for a pedicure. I don't paint my nails on a regular basis, but I'm trying to now, and it's going really well. That's another way of finding important time for yourself. If this is something that you'd like to try out, I would be happy for you to join me. I really would. All you have to do is plan out your weekly chores, things to do, errands, your booking appointments, calls, and all that good stuff that we need to keep on top of. You know, it's life. Just plan it all out in your planner, your notebook, whatever you're going to use. Upload it, and if you could just kindly hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done, and also if you can tag me at Crafty Girl Chronicles in your title bar, I would really be grateful. It's such fun. I do make it fun. I am planning for today, the 6th of October, up until the 12th. Cheers to my coffee. And I do follow the Fly Lady Cleaning Zone method, but I also have a compulsory weekly agenda that I get done. So let's see now. On a Monday, Wednesday and Friday, I wash and dry. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, I fold and pack away all the clothes that I've cleaned, washed and cleaned the day before. Let me just quickly fold and pack on a Saturday. Great. And then Mondays, my compulsory clean. I do the beds, I bleach the kitchen, bathroom and toilet, I hoover everywhere and do my budget, and I also take a walk. For this week, for the zone 3, it is the hallway, the shoe area, the skirting board, the linen cupboard, the thrones, the bookshelf, and do some filing and also trim Archie's face. Now I did his face, let's see, was it Friday? I gave him a trim. Yeah, I couldn't wait. I just gave him a trim so I don't have to do it, you know, this week. That's good. So I can find something else to do, or just find that time to do something for me. So it really works for me. It really does. I may not even have to do a lot to the linen cupboard because I've been working on that for the past couple of weeks, where I have been sorting out storage and stuff like that. So that most probably be very minimal. On Wednesday, it's my long walk I will take because I joined a group with a few ladies, but now we're finished for the autumn and winter. We'll be back walking in spring. So I have just decided to keep on doing my walk locally to where I live, so I can just keep up the momentum, you know. I do have a foot soak on a Wednesday, and I have a date with a girlfriend at 2 o'clock. I can't wait. We are going to have some fish and chips. I'm sorry, but I know it's chips. I'm going to have chips. And I've been really, really good because I've not been eating any carbs. I had a little bit of rice on Saturday. I had a little bit of rice on Saturday, and I'm not going to feel guilty about it. I didn't eat to the point where I felt so bloated, because I'm a foodie. I love food, and I sometimes can be very greedy. So it's been going really good. So I'm looking forward to fish and chips. And another thing is, I didn't have fish and chips from my local fish and chips shop. Normally I have it every week, but I've stopped that now. I'm gonna have it once a month. That's a real treat for me, so I'm not feeling guilty about having that on Wednesday. On Thursday I have incorporated some ironing, and also I do a little bit of gardening as well. That's going really good. I have movie night on a Thursday as well with snacks. Not quite sure what I'm going to have. Maybe just some pistachios and water. Just depends how I feel. And Friday it's walking. On Saturday, please God, I have got my great grandson arriving on Saturday. She's going to be induced, so baby Kennedy will be here Saturday. So I'm looking forward to that. I will continue to do my little chores, my fold and pack away, and I will do a bit of crafting as well, but I'm going to go for a nice long walk. On Sunday it's church, and I do have a foot soak. Did I say foot soak on Wednesday? Wednesday foot soak, Sunday foot soak. And for next week I've got to continue to work on my meal plan and book an appointment for the nurse. Every week I do my hashtag plan fun get things done, and nothing is usually the same. There's always something else going on. Yes, I've got my compulsory, but the zones are never the same. They always change each zone. I still find interesting things to talk about and, you know, just plan, because this is the catch-all. So everything tends to go in here. So as the week progresses, then I'll be adding and omitting and everything, because everything is subject to change. So this is how I plan, and I'm really happy that I do plan, because it keeps me grounded and I don't forget as much as I was starting to. I'm in a good place right now. That's how I feel. Yeah. And I continue with my budget. I do have my meal plan that I'm working on, as I said, and my household bits and pieces, and my well-being. I do put things for my well-being in here, but I have my self-care motem that I usually share with you. I used these two washi tapes. This is fabric. This is so nice, and it's got stars on it, and this one has just got really tiny polka dot specks on it, and I think it went down really well. The images are of course from Pinterest. Thank you so much to all the artists on Pinterest that allow us to use their images, as long as you're not using them to sell. They are strictly for personal use, and I am so grateful to those artists that allow that. I just thought how appropriate: a cozy armchair, a cozy cardigan. It's all about coziness for me when it comes to autumn and winter. Oh my goodness. And then I love layering clothes on as well, you know, just to keep cozy and warm. Especially when I'm going out, I do layer. But if I'm in the house, I might have a nice warm cozy cardigan and cozy socks and cozy slippers, you know, stuff like that. So it's all about the coziness. I love that. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.